The more
Chở niềm
that
chi
I
vậy
see, my parents aren't heroes, they're just like me. And loving
đừng
is
chơi này
hard,
được
it don't always work. You just try your best not to get
gần ra
hurt. I used to be mad, but now I
chưa
know
nữa
sometimes it's
quay
better
vậy
to
này
let someone go. It
mua
just
liền tàu
hadn't
xe
hit
là
me
ok
yet. The older I
nghe
get,
thế rất chẳng
I used to wonder
nè
why,
à
why they could
nghe
never be happy. I used to close my
giờ đến
eyes
rồi
and pray for a whole nother family where everything was fine. One
nè
bed felt like mine.
nè cứ xoài
I
vô
swore I'd
rồi
never
thì ta
be
bị
like
chia kịp
them,
vậy đó
but
ở
I
trong
was
mà em
just a
thì
kid back then. The
em thì
older I get,
em
the
thì
more
em
that
thì
I see